Hi Tudor, I thought I do a little real-time video. It maybe gets a little boring to everybody else watching, but you see when I'm starting the temperature is 21.7 degrees with both probes, which is exactly room temperature. So that's fine, maybe 0.7 degrees off, because my other machine says 21 degrees, so that's fine. So in this time the machine is heating up. During this time the group head with the probe right there will slowly heat and rise. The probe, which is like yours directly under the piston, will still be cold and will quite a long time be relatively cold, because the piston itself is quite cool. So that's the reason why the temperature will rise faster on the group head than on the piston probe. So it's gonna take a little while. I see if I can speed things up a little bit and catch you in 1 or 2 minutes. The water just now started boiling. You see the slight movement. You hear it maybe a little bubbling. Still the temperature is quite reasonably close. Now we see slowly the pressure, of course, will rise. The automated new overpressure thingy will release the steam, and we still have the temperature rising, the bars rising as well. You see the temperature of the group head still very cool. It's very, very cool. I can show you how cool by taking this still 23.5. So very cool. Slowly this temperature is rising. The steam is going into the head here. Now we have our 0.8, the little bit of the rise because of the steam. It now will release the steam. The pressure will drop. We still are very low. It is still very cool. The piston, of course, is still very cool because there is no water below the piston. So that's logical on that front. We're still heating up. Normally I would do some pumping action now a little bit, but I have the portafilter locked in already. So this may take a while, but it's all for science now. Still very cool, but slowly heating up. So I did nothing but wait for a bit. We are creeping slightly up. Still done absolutely nothing but wait. The group head now 52, still quite manageable heat. The piston slightly heating up. See 54 here. Here. So that's totally fine. And I would never let the group head go up to 100. I found that very off-putting in taste of the coffee. So normally I pull when the group head is around between 60 and 70, depending on the coffee. So everything is creeping up in temperature a little bit. Still haven't done nothing but wait. The temperature now is reached 62 on the group head. It's hot to the touch after a couple of seconds. And this is when I pull. That's why I don't get super astringent shots and stuff, which you might get otherwise. So at 62 group head temp, so much lower as most people, I'm gonna get some water in, slowly let the level rise. Now the hot water is steaming in under the piston. Everything gets hot, 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 90 degrees, but it's still cooling off because the surrounding area is also still cool. So I'm still very cool on the under the piston front because yeah, still the first drops, 77 degrees. Trying to get a reading. Can't get a proper reading, but it's about 70, 77 here. I'm gonna get some coffee right here at 87 degrees. Coffee is very nice. It's a little bit of a darker roast, that's why I brew it quite low temperature style. That's it. The piston is very much down. That's why the water is gone and now the temperature was a little bit lower, but the shower screen is still hot. That's why it did rise up again. And now it soon will you know, do its thing. Let's check the group head temperature here. It's very hard because I have this just this sellotape and normally don't use this kind of temperature measuring device on this machine, but we're barely above 70. 79 on here, so that's fine. So yeah, that's that. The temperature is still very much manageable. Of course, if I would pull another shot now, I have the same coffee, of course, inside. Let's think we would pull another shot. The water will come in, and of course then we get the much higher temperatures. So everything is as expected, really. You see, I'm just not letting the group head get as hot, and that's it really.